Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start with the class chapter wise mathematics class 10th. So this is the important question bank from the department, that is here Department of Public Instruction. So this is, you can see, so it is like a chapter wise it is given in this content. So this is a very important concept. So from today's video I am going to start a chapter wise important questions from even this booklet plus even from the previous year's question papers. So let us start with the chapter wise content. So first chapter of class 10th is nothing but here index they have given and chapter wise important questions they have given. So with this I will solve again problems from Zen, Oswald and all. So here the first chapter given is arithmetic progression. So let us see the first chapter of AP. Okay, here it is told few important formulas and points to remember given. So we all know the important formulas of AP. So let us begin directly from the questions. Okay, here they have started with a multiple choice question. So let me start from the same. In an AP, if an is equals to 2n minus 3, the common difference is. So the first question is, in an AP, if an is equals to 2n minus 3, then the common difference is d is what they have told us to find. Okay, how we will find d here? First let us find a1. a1 in place of n we have to substitute 1. a1 is equals to 2 into 1 minus 3. a1 is equals to 2 ones are 2 minus 3. a1 is equals to minus 1. Okay, we got a1. Similarly we will find a2. an is equals to 2n minus 3. n place 2 we have to substitute. a2 is equals to 2 into 2 minus 3. a2 is equals to 2 to the 4 minus 3 and a2 is equals to 1. So here we got a1 and a2. We know that d is equals to second term minus first term. d is equals to 1 minus 1. a1 is minus 1. So d is equals to 1 minus plus 1. d is equals to 2. So d value common difference is 2. You can see here the correct answer is 2. Now let us see the second one. If an is equals to 4n plus 2, then sixth term of AP is. So it's very easy. If an, these are the multiple choice question. If an is equals to 4n plus 2, then sixth term is. So let us find a, in place of n we have to substitute 6. a6 is equals to 4 into 6 plus 2. a6 is equals to 6 4s are 24 plus 2 and a6 is equals to 28. So the correct answer is 28. What I have done? 6 4s are 24, 26. 24 plus 2 is 26. So the correct answer is D, 26. So you can try this easily, which now if an is equals to 36 minus 4n, then its 11th term is. You have to do this. In place of n you have to put 11 and you have to find the correct option from this is which. Okay, see I have shown you a question here. If an is equals to 36 minus 4n, then its 11th term is which you have to find. Okay, now the fourth one, they have asked the sum of, the 10th term of AP 5, the 10th term of 5 9 13 is. 5 9 13 is a given AP. They have told find the 10th term. First term a is equals to 5, d is equals to 9 minus 5. Second term minus first term, d is equals to 9 minus 5 is 4. So 10th term A10 is equals to A plus 9D. You can use formula also here. A10, A value is 5. 5 plus 9 into D value is 4. So 5 plus 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 5 is 41. So the 10th term is 41. Okay. Now here they have asked the question, the sum of first 15 odd natural number is. The sum of first 15 odd natural number is, let us see, first 15 odd natural number. They have told, yes, 15 odd natural number are odd natural numbers are in AP. We know that. Okay. 1, 3, 5, 7, dot dot dot. A is equals to 1. D is equals to 3 minus 1. Second term minus first term. D is equals to 2. So here S15 they have told, Sn is equals to 50 n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So we can substitute and find S15 is equals to 15 by 2. 2 into a is 1 plus 15 minus 1 d is 2. So 15 by 2 we cannot cancel. So we have to keep as it is. 2 ones are 2 plus 14 into 2. 15 by 2 as it is. 2 plus 14 2s are 28. So here 15 by 2 into 28 plus 2 is 30. 2 ones are 2. 2 15s are 30. So 15 15s are 225. So S15 is nothing but 225 is the correct answer. So here given is B 225. Okay. Now what they have asked, sum of all first n term of even natural number is. The question is sum of all first n term of even natural number is. So first let us write even natural numbers are. Okay. Let me write the even natural numbers are. Even natural numbers are in AP. So even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. Let us write the dot. Sum of n even natural number they have told. N even natural number. So A is equals to 2. D is equals to second term minus first term. 4 minus 2. D is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. Now let us find sum of n natural numbers, right? Sn. N we don't know. N natural number means n by 2 as it is 2a plus n minus 1d. Formula it is. So we don't know n by 2 as it is. 2 into a value is 2 plus sign as it is. N minus 1 d value is also 2. Let us see what is the n natural number. N by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 into n 2n minus 2 1s are 2. Okay. N by 2. I'll write 2n first. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. We can see here, we'll write n by 2 as it is. But this side we can see 2 is common. So I'll take 2 outside common. N, what is left? 2 is common means n left. Plus 2 already common 1. So 2 2 get cancelled. And n into n plus 1 is a correct answer. So let us see in the question. Yes. Here it is given n into n plus 1 is a answer. Now let us see the next question. In an AP, if this is little different question. In an AP, if S20 is equals to 32 and S19 is equals to 28, find the value of A20. See, if they ask this question for the multiple choice question, then what we have to do is, we know that because this is the 4 marks. If we solve SN formula by taking, then it is a 4 marks question, but they have asked for multiple choice 1 marks. There is one formula. We know that AN is equals to SN minus 1. This is the formula. It is given here. I'll show you. That is, see, for any series, AN is equals to SN minus 1. This formula we should know. So AN means they have asked A20 to find, right? A20 is equals to S20 minus SN is 20 minus 1. So A20 is equals to S20 minus 1, that is S19. So A20 is equals to S20 value is 32 minus S19 value is 28. So A20 is equals to 4. So the correct option for this question is 4. Now we have one more type of this problem in Oswald. Same type of question they have asked. So let me find that same type of question now. See, this is the Oswald book. So in this similar type of question is asked. You can see here in an AP, if S5 is equals to 35 and S4 is equals to 22, then the fifth term is, this is of like March 2012 question paper question. So these all are the important questions. So I'll do from Oswald as well as from that booklet. Okay, here in an AP same type question is given. So let me solve. S5 is equals to 35. What they have told here, similar type question. So let me do. S5 is equals to 35 and S4 is equals to 22. Find fifth term they have told. So fifth term means AN is equals to, same like previous, SN minus 1. So AN, what they have asked to find now, that only we have to take. A5 is equals to S5 minus 1. A5 is equals to S5 as it is minus S5 minus is nothing but S4. There will be logic for this problem for 1 marks if it is given. Okay, A5 is equals to S5 what given 35 minus S4 given 22. If we minus this, A5 is equals to 35 minus 22 is 13. So here we got the value 13, and in this book they have told here options 35, 10, 13, 22. So the correct option is C, 30. Next question. So now it is very short answer, 1 mark each. Okay, find 15th term of AP 3, 6, 9, 12. Given AP is 3, 6, 9, 12. This is the AP. Find 15th term they have told. So we know that A is equals to first term is always A is equals to 3, D is equals to second term minus first term, 6 minus 3. D is equals to 6 minus 3 is 3. They have told us to find 15th term. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 D. A15 is equals to A value is 3 plus 15 minus 1, D value is 3. So 3 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 3. So 3 into 3 plus 14 3s are 42. 42 plus 3 is nothing but 45. So A15 we got is 45. Okay, what they have asked next question. Question number 10. Find the common difference of the AP. Find the common difference of the AP. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2. Minus 10, comma minus 6, minus 2. 2 are in AP. Find the common difference. Find the common difference in the sense D we have to find. A is equals to minus 10. D is equals to second term minus 6 minus 10. See, this is the formula too. Or else I'll write properly. D is equals to second term minus first term. D is equals to second term is minus 6. This is formula minus A1 is minus 10. So D is equals to minus 6 plus minus plus 10. D is equals to 4. So the correct answer is D is equals to 4. Okay. Let us see the next question. The 10th. Properly see the question. The 10th and 15th term of AP are 25 and 10. 10th 25, 15th 10. Find the common difference. What they have told, the 10th and 15th term are 25 and 10 respectively. That means 10th term is 25 and 15th term is 10. Find common difference. Okay, let us find A10 is nothing but A plus 9D is equals to 25. Equation 1. A15 is nothing but one less we have to do. A plus 14D is equals to 10. Equation 2. Solving 1 and 2 we get. Okay. A plus 9D is equals to 25. A plus 14D is equals to 10. So let us change the sign here. Negative. This is also minus. This is also minus. A get cancel. So 14 minus 9. What we will get? 14 minus 9. That is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. Greater sign is minus. Minus 5D is equals to 25 minus 10 is greater number is plus. So 25 minus 10 is 15. D is equals to minus 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 3s are 15. D is equals to minus 3. They have asked common difference na. So D is equals to minus 3. Okay. Now next question. Question number 12. What they have asked, find the sum of first 20 positive integers. Find the sum of first 20 positive integers. So let us see. Find the sum of first 20 positive integers. 1, 2, 3, ... till 20. First 20 they have told. So till 20 positive integers. Okay, till 20 terms, not 20. Okay, A is equals to 1, D is equals to 2 minus 1, D is equals to nothing but 2 minus 1 is 1. So SN formula, n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D. So 20 by 2, 2 into 1 plus 20 minus 1 into 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. 10 into 2 ones are 2 plus 19 into 1. Okay, what we will get? 10, 2 plus 19 ones are 19. So in the next step, 10 into 19 plus 20 is 21. So 21 into 10 is 210. So S20 value is nothing but 210. So the sum of first 20 positive integer is 210. Let us see the next question. Here they have asked the question, find the sum of first n term of an AP whose first term is A and the common difference is D. Find the sum of n terms. We know that they have asked the formula here, but the question they have given like this. So when they ask this question, you have to understand here we have to write formula. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Find the sum of first n term of an AP whose first term is A and the common difference is D. Okay, let us go for third main, that is short answer question, 2 marks. What is the question? Question is which term of an AP? Which term? How many term? If such type of question is asked, we have to understand here, we have to find the number of terms. Which term of an AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Okay, let us find this. Which term of an AP is 3? Let me write the question. 3, 8, 13, 18 and the last term is 78. Okay, which term of an AP they have asked the question. So here when they ask the question which term of an AP, we have to write A is equals to always first term, and D also we know that second term minus first term, 8 minus 3. D is equals to 8 minus 3 is 5. So we know that formula AN is equals to, here which term of an AP directly they have asked, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 D. AN is a last term, it is given. AN is equals to 78. So in place of AN, what I will have to write? 78 is equals to A value is 3. Okay, plus N we don't know. We have to find which term they have told. So we don't know which term. N as it is minus 1. D value is 5. Okay, 78 is equals to 3 plus 5 into N, 5N minus 5 ones are 5. 78 is equals to 5N as it is plus 5N. 5 minus 3 minus 2. 78, this 2 if I bring here plus 2 is equals to 5N. 80 is equals to 5N. N is equals to 80 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 6, 7, 8, 3. 5, 6 are 30. So N is equals to what we got? 16. So what you will write? Therefore 16th term of AP is 78. Therefore 16th. Which term they have asked? No. 16th term of an AP is given AP. 16th term of given AP is 78. So this is the answer. Next let us see what they have asked here. Question is, check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP, given AP. Minus 150 is a term of given AP or not. We have to check. Okay, what question is given? Question number 15. Minus 50 is a term of AP is 11, 8, 5, 2. So let us write, let AN is equals to minus 150. We have to assume nth term as minus 150 and we should check whether it is minus 150 is a term of this given AP or not. Okay, now AP, A is always first term, A is 11 and D is second term minus first term, 8 minus 11. D is equals to 8 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 3. Okay, now AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 D. AN we have assumed 150, A 11 plus N we don't know minus 1, D is nothing but 3 we got now. So let us find now whether it is AP or not. D is minus 3, greater number is 11 now, so minus 3. Minus 150 is equals to 11 minus 3 into N minus 3N minus minus plus 3 ones are 3. Okay, minus 150 is equals to 11 plus 3 is 14 minus 3N. Okay, now minus 150 is equals to minus 14. 14 if I bring here, minus 14 is equals to minus 3N. Minus 150 minus 114 is minus 164. Minus minus is plus, is equals to minus 3N. Minus minus get cancel. N is equals to 164 upon 3. So 164 upon 3 is not divisible, so it becomes integers. So as N cannot be, or if we divide N is equals to, we will get 54 0.6. As n cannot be a decimal or fraction, here the given AP you can see 11, 8, 5 and 9. You have to write as n cannot be a decimal or integer, therefore minus 150 is not a term of given AP. You can write since n cannot be an integer for the given AP, therefore it is not a term of given AP. So now next question. So the next question is, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So here they have asked how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3. So let us write the two-digit numbers. Two-digit number divisible by 3 are in AP. So let us start writing two-digit numbers. So divisible by 3 is like 3, 6, 9, but we want two-digit numbers. So let us write two-digit numbers start from 12, then 15, 18, dot dot dot, last two-digit number is 99. So let us see now. A is equals to 12, D is equals to second term minus first term, 15 minus 12, D is equals to 15 minus 12 is nothing but 3, and last term is 99. An is equals to 99. Therefore An is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. So now An is 99 is equals to A value is 12 plus 99 n. How many two-digit number? No, we don't know. N minus 1, D value is 3. So 99 is equals to 12 plus 3 into n, 3n, minus 3 ones are 3. So 99 is equals to 12 minus 3 is nothing but 9 plus 3n. 99 minus 9, if I bring here minus 9, is equals to 3n. 90 is equals to 3n. N is equals to 90 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 0 as it is. N is equals to 30. So we got here n is equals to 30. There are 32 digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Therefore there are 32 digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Let us see the next question. Question number 17. So here, find the 20th term from the last term of AP. From the last term of given AP they have told, find the 20th term from the last term of the given AP. So here given AP are, given AP is, what is the given AP? That is 3, 8, 13, dot dot dot, that is 253. So from the last term we have to find 20th term. So let us write last term is, so A is equals to 3, D is equals to 8 minus 3. So difference is 5. So based on the difference we have to start going on finding the last term of AP. Last term of AP is 253. So 253 minus 5 if I do, I am going to get 248. Again 248 minus 5 is nothing but 243. Like that we should go on last 13, 8, 3. From the last term AP is like this. Okay, now we have to find 20th term. A is equals to 253. D is equals to 248, second term minus first term 253. D is equals to minus 5. A20, we know that A20 is equals to A plus 19D. A value is 253 plus 19 into D value is minus 5. Okay, 253 plus minus 19 5s are 95. 253 minus 95 is nothing but 158. So A20 is 158 from last term. Now the next question is, find the sum of first 25 terms of an AP. What they have asked, find the sum of first 25 terms of an AP. So here given AP is 2, 5, 8. Find the sum of 25 terms. Find the sum of 25 terms. So how we will find now? A is equals to 2. D is equals to second term minus first term. 5 minus 2. D is equals to 3 we got. Okay. So now find the sum of 25 terms they have told. Now we know SN formula. SN is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So S20 is equals to 20 by 2, 2a value is 2 plus 20 minus 1, d value is 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. S20 is equals to 10 into 2 twos are 4 plus 20 minus 1, 90 into 3. So 10 into 4 plus 19 threes are, we have to multiply. Find the sum of S25 they have told now, and I was finding 20 terms. So let us solve properly by S25. Okay, S25 is equals to 25 by 2, 2a, a value is 2 plus 25 minus 1, d value is 3. So we cannot cancel 25 by 2, so we'll keep as it is. 2 twos are 4 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 into 3. So 25 by 2 will be as it is. 4 plus 24 threes are 72. Okay, so 25 by 2 into 72 plus 4 is nothing but 76. Let us cancel now. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 eights are 16. So here we got 25 into 38. So 25 into 38, if we multiply, we are going to get 950. So this S25 we got answer. What they have asked, find the sum of 25 terms of a given AP. So next question is question number 19. Second and third term of AP are 14 and 10. Second and third term of AP are 14 and 10 respectively. Find the 51st term of the AP. What they have asked, find the 51st term of an AP. Okay, in the question they have told second and third term of an AP are 14 and 10 respectively. They have told now. Find 51st term. They didn't say sum, only 51st term they have told. So let us start finding now. A2 is equals to 14. Second term is 14. A2 is nothing but A plus D is equals to 14. Equation 1. And A3 is nothing but A plus 2D is equals to 10. Equation 2. Solving 1 and 2, we get A plus D is equals to 14. A plus 2D is equals to 10. So let us cancel A, because if we change the sign, it get cancelled. Minus 2D plus D is minus D. Minus 10 plus 14 is 4. So what value we got? D is equals to minus 4 we got. Now put D is equals to minus 4 in equation 1. A plus D is equals to 14. A value we don't know, but D is minus 4 is equals to 14. A plus minus minus 4 is equals to 14. A is equals to 14 here only. Minus 4, if we take this side, it becomes plus 4. A is equals to, we got 18. Here D value we got and A value we got. They have told us to find 51st term. A51 is equals to A plus 50D. A value is 18 plus 50 into D is minus 4. So 18 plus minus 5 4s are 20. That is 200. 18 minus 200 if we do, we are going to get minus 182, because negative number is a bigger number. So minus 182. So we got the 51st term is minus 182. This completes the question number 19. So in my next video, I'll continue from the question number 20. Do like and share. Thank you.